Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must confirm the SSD is physically connected and visible. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, back up any critical files because changing boot order can risk data. Reboot the PC and press Delete or F11 repeatedly to enter the MSI BIOS. Timing matters, so start tapping immediately. In BIOS, you'll see system information. Make sure the SSD appears under Storage or NVMe configuration. These initial checks set you up to safely change boot priority and avoid common mistakes later. In BIOS, navigate to Settings, then Boot or Advanced, and find Boot Configuration. You need the right screen to change priority. Choose UEFI if Windows was installed in UEFI mode, otherwise select Legacy. Mismatch prevents booting. Next, locate boot priority and either set the SSD directly or select the SSD's Windows Boot Manager entry. Moving it to the top ensures it's used first. Once the SSD is prioritized, double-check Secure Boot and CSM settings because they affect device recognition and successful startup. Save the changes, press F10 and confirm, and let the system reboot to test the SSD as the boot device. If Windows doesn't start, go back into BIOS and verify the SSD is still detected and that UEFI versus Legacy matches the drive's installation. Mismatches are the most common failure. If problems persist, disable Compatibility Support Module, CSM, or switch SATA mode to OSI for SATA SSDs, then retry. These steps resolve most boot issues without reinstalling the OS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.